tired again. Running on caffeine. Sarcasm and willpower. Don't worry, nature's got your back. Today, we're counting down 7 natural foods that boost your energy. No crash, no drama, no overpriced lattes required. First up, bananas. They're basically nature's energy bars, packed with carbs for quick fuel, plus potassium to keep your muscles happy. Grab one on your way out the door, toss it in a smoothie, or eat it before a workout. Instant energy, zero guilt, and way cheaper than therapy.
Nice!
Next, oats, the slow burn hero of breakfast. Unlike sugary cereals that hype you up and then knock you out, oats release energy slowly, so you stay full and focused for hours. Top it with berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. And boom, breakfast that makes you feel like you actually have your life together. Third, eggs. Protein-packed little miracles. They've got B vitamins to help your body turn food into energy, so you're not running on fumes by 10 a.m. Scrambled, boiled, fried, doesn't matter. Eggs don't judge you, and neither do we. Number 4, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, sunflower. These tiny guys are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Translation: steady energy and no awkward mid-meeting tummy growls. Keep a handful in your bag and you look like you've got your life together, even if you don't.
Perfect!
At number 5, dark chocolate. Yep, chocolate you can call healthy. Finally, just a small piece of 70% cacao or higher gives you a caffeine kick and a mood boost without the sugar crash. Just don't eat the whole bar, unless, you had one of those days. Number 6, Greek yogurt. It's creamy, it's protein-packed, and it's got probiotics for gut health. And trust me, when your gut's happy, you're happy. Top it with fruit or granola for a snack that feels fancy, without the fancy price tag. And finally, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, whatever makes you feel less guilty about last night's pizza. They're loaded with iron and magnesium, which help your body create energy. Toss a handful into your smoothie or salad. And you'll feel like a healthy superhero in no time. And there you have it. 7 natural energy boosters that won't make you crash or question your life choices. Which one's your favorite? Or did I just give you an excuse to buy dark chocolate? Let me know in the comments hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense health tips with a side of laughs.